Hello everyone. We all had good news in Google I/O 2018. First of all, do you know what Flutter is? It's a mobile app development SDK provided by Google for you to build native high quality apps for both Android and iOS using single code base. How cool is that? There are tons of features, benefits you can learn and watch all of them. I'll add links in the description. Day before yesterday, 7th May, beta 3 release. But do you know how community is big as for now? There are lots of courses, tutorials, apps out there for you. I also did some basic videos, and in upcoming months I'll make lot of videos and also some apps. Also, there are some large apps in the market like Hamilton, and I saw from Google blog post about announcement of CNU from Alibaba. They are going to use Flutter, and also Google's lot of apps rewritten by Dart for mobiles Flutter. As example, AdWord. Another thing is Flutter uses material design, so Google material design team and Flutter team works together to give us more support for material designs. Also, I have to tell you that Udacity course for Flutter is ready and now you can enroll free. Also, new code labs are added for Flutter. Now let me talk about tools a little bit. IntelliJ gives us lot more features now like Flutter Inspector and Flutter Outline and lot more. I'll talk about those in my videos. And also VS Code fully supported first class development tool for Flutter. Now let me quickly tell you about features and improvement in the beta 3. First of all, open up the CMD and type Flutter upgrade. If you have installed Flutter already, otherwise go to flutter.io and download it. Version is for now v0.3.2. I almost forgot to tell you that I saw they are planning to release Flutter 1 first official release in next year. Okay, let's see what improvements are. This is the Medium Flutter post by Tim Smith. He has listed down some fundamental improvements. Flutter developers have improved built-in UI widgets. Here they are. And they have introduced a new embedding API. Improved widgets are bottom map bar, chips, input decorator, floating action button, slider, and also support for animated results are improved. This is about Flutter example app update which you can download from GitHub. Now comes the really cool part. If you written some codes in Flutter, you may think, oh, new and cons. Do you really need Dart? Developers can read your mind, and they made it optional in Dart too. But Dart VM act weirdly with constant constructor before. Now you don't have to worry about it. We can rock and roll with Flutter. See this code? Wow, nice and clear. Important sentence here, the const keyword becomes optional for any child constructor within an existing const scope. You have to add const for section, then all childs are const automatically. Also, there are improvements for accessibility, screen reader, large text and contrast capabilities, supports are improved. Another cool thing is you can add Flutter to your existing app. Let's see what are the improvements for ecosystem. A lot of plugins are improved like Firebase, Remote Config, Firestore, and performance monitoring. Yeah, now add more for Flutter in beta. And finally, let's talk about tools. As I told you earlier, UI Inspector improved and one really cool feature is added. You can view widget tree with auto-generated widgets, and most importantly, you can select widget and that widget layout you can see in emulator or in your phone. Also, you can run your app in profile mode in IntelliJ and Android Studio. Also, you can do that in VS Code, which adds frames per second and memory usage display. VS Code is also a great tool for Flutter. I myself use IntelliJ and VS Code for my works, not only for Flutter and for other things also. You can install the Flutter extension, and if you have installed, you can update it. Now VS Code is also a fully supported development environment in both of these IDE, of course including Android Studio. You can refactor your code easily. Okay everyone, that's all I have. Actually this post contains, you can rock and roll with Flutter. I will add all necessary links. I mean communities, example, other great tutorials and other important links are in description. Also I'm planning some Mac for tutorials. If you are interested, press that subscribe button and let me know about your thoughts in comment section. If you have any bug, file an issue on GitHub. This is the link. Also if you learned something, you can press like button, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.